Hello everyone and welcome back to another Playmobil YT toy review. Today we are looking at set number 9844, the Port-A-Potty. I'm not kidding. I saw Playmobil having one of their weekend sales and I had to jump on it right away, and I was scrolling through all the items and all of a sudden the Port-A-Potty showed up and I had to go after it. Why? Because who doesn't need a bathroom? Even your clickies do. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing or an unwrapping or unbagging video, an assembly and review of the Port-A-Potty. Let's go ahead and get started. Well, welcome back. Let's go to the loo, shall we? Not a whole lot of parts to keep up with, which is nice considering the amount of accessories you get from the other sets. Whoops. Don't want to lose that. Alright, so both sides of the potty have the fictional potty company logo above its name and what would typically be a phone number. I'm not going to try to guess what the significance the numbers shown here have to do with anything. Of course, if any of our viewers know the answer, by all means comment below and teach us something. So, looking from above the shaft, our toilet bowl sits prominently in the center, awaiting its next victim to foolishly place themselves into its bacteria-infested jowls. We've got our handy-dandy toilet seat cover, which easily fastens to the connective port behind the seat. Fits nicely in there too, and without a lot of give. Then we have our roll of toilet paper, which fits nicely into its holding area, if you can get it in there to begin with. It's over here to the left of the seat and in its own little nook. So larger fingers may have difficulty placing the roll in there, but luckily there's a place you can fit your fingers from underneath to grip the Porta-John itself to give you some extra leverage when popping the toilet paper roll into place. I put in a new roll with the ready sheet over the roll, not under. It's truly the only way. Anyway, anyone else feel the same way? Okay, and now we have the top. And that should fit in just right one time, no problems. And then this little piece here is a hook. I guess it's to help transport, pick up and transport porta-potties as needed. Finally, we have our clicky, who is, I think, our only construction worker. We do have handy men and a handy woman, but we don't have anybody in construction, so I'm kind of thrilled to have a character from a different theme added to the collection, and they come equipped with a newspaper, a rolled up newspaper to take into the porta-potty with them. How stereotypical for those who do that sort of thing. So yeah, here he is, and he seems to fit in just nicely to the setting. This is perfect. I can't wait to see what I'm going to do with this thing. And this concludes our review of Playmobil item number 9844, the blue Port-A-Potty. This particular one released in 2019. I think it's a great addition, especially if you have outdoor themed playsets and characters. Plus the idea of it all is great fun, and the clicky with his newspaper, hilarious. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more Playmobil content, give us a thumbs up if you like the review, and check us out on Instagram. Until next time, everybody, see ya!